Are you curious about the care for the red heart philodendron? Yes, the new mutant philodendron that is circulating very slowly throughout the plant community. There's a lot of speculation and a lot of horror stories about shipping this particular plant from Thailand to the US. Keep watching. I'm going to fill you in on my journey. How you doing? My name is Gerard. I'm an exotic plant collector, and on this channel I just talk about plants. Plant information, everything about plants, it's on this channel. If you want to know more about what's going on here, hit that like and subscribe button. I appreciate your support, and check out my other videos. I have a lot of tips and tricks on what I do with my particular plants, ups and downs, lows and highs, everything all in between. It's all in there. So check out my other videos. I got a lot of great information for you, and I would love to share my love of plants with you on YouTube here and on Instagram. So you can also check me out on Instagram at George_horticulture_. And today, yes, we're going to get right into it. It's about the red heart philodendron, the mutant plant, the X-Men. The thing that we just don't know what's going to happen. And I got it in my house, so I don't get on roller coasters or anything like that. I'm not adventurous like that. I don't climb up mountains or anything like that, but I will try to take care of a mutant plant.
What are you?
And I'm going to show you this guy right here. I didn't care to do the unboxing because I just didn't know what was going to happen. There's not a lot of information online about this particular plant, but there's a lot of horror stories on the shipping of this particular plant, meaning that after you get it, the leaves all drop. I've talked to a lot of people in the plant community about this particular plant, and they've all said they only have like a bee sting or just one leaf that's like shooting out after all these other leaves have whittled away after shipping. Now, with this plant right here, I do have some particular leaves. I did lose about 2 leaves on it that were a lot bigger, and that could actually show you the striking color of this new particular plant. And I don't have it on me, but I took pictures of it when I got the plant because I just wanted to take pictures of it the day of, the day after, and the day after that, and the day after that, and then the day after that. And then after that day, I lost a leaf, and then I was like, you know what, at least I got something to show, and just in case all the rest of these leaves whittle away, I just got some memories of what it looks like. And even if it died off, because another thing that I want to go over is acclimation when you get this plant. I strongly suggest that you do not water it at all until you feel that the plant needs some water, because for some odd reason this mutant plant, and I was like, I'm kind of taken away by it's a mutant, so what do I expect from a mutant plant? Am I supposed to like take it to like some bald guy in a wheelchair and have him hone its powers or something like that? But that's not the case. I literally just felt the leaves, and I was just spraying around the stalk, and the plant came in surrounded with peat moss, so I didn't have any soil to deal with, and I immediately potted it up. And watched it every day, and I usually watch it the morning because in the nighttime is usually when things happen. If you get in any plant for some odd reason, nighttime, the next day you'll see it yellowing or burning, or something's going to happen at nighttime, and something really happens at night. So that's what I've been watching, and like I said, I've been watching this for a couple days, and I lost that striking red leaf, so I hopefully get it. But these leaves have been holding on pretty strong. They're not really exhibiting any type of red color, but this is still growing inside, so I'm just keeping it very dry for right now. I didn't even do a full watering yet. I just was monitoring the the watering, and I was worried about the humidity. So I just didn't keep it in a dome, because my first thought was to get it in a humidity dome to see if it likes the humidity. But it being a philodendron, they're pretty tough plants. But the thing that threw me off was when I did get some information about not watering it. Now on A Strong Plants Exports, and this is not a sponsored video. He didn't give these to me for free. I got these for $16 online, along with the FIDO certificate and the the permit I furnished myself, which I didn't have to pay for at all through USDA. But other than that, what he told me and what I saw online is that you should not water it because it will become root rotted. So I was scared about that. So what I was doing, I basically do every day, is I like grab the stem and I feel around the main stems to see if how it feels, and I'm trying to really familiarize myself with the how tough the main stem is, and also looking out for the leaves and seeing if the leaves are actually turgid, which is another form of water's just not basically if it needs water, it's going to show itself in the leaves first. Usually that happens when you get a peace lily, like the leaves will drop out. And most of the other plants, if it needs water, you'll see the leaves just drop. So that's what I'm looking for with this. But I'm not ready to water it now because the leaves look very firm. And like I said, it's been my third week with this particular plant. And I'm just trying to get some information out there, circulating, and get anything generating in the plant community. I will keep you guys updated on what's going on with this particular plant. If you have any suggestions or information on how to take care of the plant, let me know in the comment section below. Lighting, bright indirect light, and I'm also giving it the my premium soil mix. I usually use like Fox Farm and this is non-sponsored, by the way. I use Fox Farm, Happy Frog, and with my philodendrons, I don't really have any problems after that because I know the Fox Farm is inoculated with the mycorrhiza and the fungus, everything that the plant needs to absorb nutrients and to help it live its best life in my care. Now, I also am like I said, monitoring the water, because I haven't done a water test or a full watering yet. I did mist the top very lightly, very, very lightly, because I was just so scared about this plant. But that's how I did it to acclimate it, and I placed it where I have the rest of my plants at, in a bright indirect light, and everything's pretty much been smooth right now. So I lost one leaf. I still have 4 leaves left. And like I said, if you talk to somebody that knows somebody that has this plant, they're going to tell you they ship bad. So if you ever try to get one, they really do ship bad, is what I've really been hearing. But I've been lucky with this guy right here. So we do have some solar cells, so hopefully these cells will promote more leaf growth, and I will keep you guys updated on the care. I just wanted to put this out here. Everybody, thanks for watching. And if you have any questions about the blood heart, leave it in the comment section below and keep growing.